whispers through the trees. Life awakens with a gentle breeze. Dreams take flight, hearts set free. In the tapestry of sounds, I find me. The sounds of life, they're all around, in every beat, in every sound. Echoes of joy, whispers of strife. In every moment, I hear the sounds of life. City streets hum with vibrant tales. Voices blend through the bustling gales. Children's laughter, a joyous cry. In the midst of chaos, I touch the sky. The sounds of life, they're all around, in every beat, in every sound. Echoes of joy, whispers of strife. In every moment, I hear the sounds of life. The sounds of life. The silence of the night, stars shine bright. Whispers of dreams take flight. Through the highs and the lows, life's melody forever flows. The sounds of life, they're all around, in every beat, in every sound. Echoes of joy, whispers of strife. In every moment, I hear the sounds of life. In the gardens bloom, the bees at work. Life's rhythms dance, never a quirk. Footsteps on a path, histories that go through every shadow, a bright tomorrow. The sounds of life, they're all around, in every beat, in every sound. Echoes of joy, whispers of strife. In every moment, I hear the sounds of life. Whispered secrets in the dark. Heartbeats racing, a bright spark. Raindrops tapping on the window pane. In every sound there's a story again. The gardens bloom, the bees at work. Heartbeats racing, the bright spark. Raindrops tapping on the window pane. In every sound there's a story again. The sounds of life. The sounds of life. The sounds of life. The sounds of life.